himself to Kotoko as his deal with Sekokunle. Someone says Sekokunle. Sekokunle has fallen through. But Danlad Ibrahim's performance yesterday has gotten a rethinker thinking.
Thinking, right?
Tama,
the sun for.
Tama, and friend him a boy 11-11.
And I see go.
I those assist entry. Chamadonzo, yeah, and assist entry. Now we are now 4
late comers, no.
2 late comers, no. We are now 4-3. Now
they are saying a best of me in Jabon.
Danlad, very important. Danlad, they go papa.
Danlad.
O consider 3.
Danlad, they will go down.
Or they go papa.
Is it only keeper Beno?
Only Aziz.
Bechem.
Only Aziz. Aziz consider for Danlad consider 3. T. And Rana, a idea paintino. Yeah, and T. We cried. Maybe a story, no. Late comers, no. 1 assist, 1 score. Donzo assisted. Entry and I'm the koya and just a man.
Nibosa, the okay, dear. I think Granny 5 na increase you.
I said the Chibiantina, almost extension, you know.
Abuan.
No more the rationale behind it. And I think said
the number 9.
They believe they will achieve it by the timer. Extension
percentage,
a bit grown crack. But Kotoko need the lag in Tassing Kasai.
No, some renance.
I'm not in Tassing Kasai, and then you make it no claim. But at least and now impress it. It may be hopefully as you get along.
Now me say keep a coach no. We keep us on wow.
I keep us on.
The last one was out.
The last also was stretch.
But on height, I'm told I think that the first thing from South Africa near the keep patent.
According to Djibo's paper now, my own is a Kotoa. The reason why Kotoa, young funny height.
No,
Kotoa, baby. Cameroon, baby, I'm very Kotoa.
Baby Kotoa. Second baby Kotoa.
No, I'm told that
men think of one way. One go.
Babo, we enemy.
Yeah.
Is that the boys? The boys, no.
Danlad is not certain.
Go on.
Because a lot of background checks.
And some American say,
men so set.
Oba wakase omuntinase kra. Ene wakanwa. Ene de wakan.
Boss, no,
that go to konin in.
If you go or die or that go part, man, in the performance.
When you wakan man for
Danlad, CAMARA for one over.
Ah, there's an I don't mean.
I'm no keeper so we are.
No, why is it wine?
Ah, why is it? Nanya na no anonim da Danlad bidin.
Danlad.
Ah, okunani. Anya na no ya no oba.
But men can't say
obi so wetima baby.
Obe fano.
Nibosa Kapo arrived 5 p.m. yesterday. He storms Porcupine today to meet the players and his other technical
the military men. So therefore no echo.
There's some that so much matama. Say we okay so video. Me the picture. Me so me NCC for ni I wait GRCC Greater Accra Regional Circus. Chapters Chama on the Jina Benkuso, Nibosa Nifaso, and another executive member back only others no. Don't go
airport.
Airport.
To almost free Nikromumban.
Oh, MD Suko.
He was met at the Epnian one MD picture.
MD Suko. But supporters in na omkwe more fra no go Nikoma. I come just saying. Nti o ka say o picture na me call video.
Yeah, my dear say.
Nti no and assembly no he said there.
Because we Rebecca say supporters any papa bi dey gina ba video mu nkomo.
Na ta Nibosa wan enim.
Say no bia na enim no.
Sekokunle accept house next week date to release Hamza's release letter. Hamza now stays. Enti afede enti sanaba.
Free airport oko.
Okofi. Okay. And no mkofa no san kofa no bi profi.
Oba was true.
So general airport watch.
Yes, I was part of the people around the agents no Kasantamana.
Enti what me conversation ma say on train next week no.
Time ring no airport o.
That no ma also ma picking na.
Na ticket no only ticket or dey ban.
I think the ticketing issue wasn't a problem.
Okay.
Self ticketing or we try return.
You only
activate the date. Return you activate the date.
I don't make no.
You run or fire no airport was a munye ni.
No yes ejuma no. Any agents na ejuma.
agency no time I with them because now no or see Jibo can as a man into Liana or can GFS Super League suffers a major setback as Sport City withdraws from the competition. And the Anopaya and opposite for issue statement. Almost say or more start your pre-season. I feel no more than crack. I won't be as one come ball.
I did read it. I'm to be balls. I'm Premier League size. So I'm going to use Division 1 calendar and fan prepare season. I'm
saying pre-season. Come on, you are also to try. I'm coming on paper players.
It's a competition. And I feel it's a competition of my designer. So you are part of it. So to me more. You write to them.
I don't know my.
And they've done that. So shouldn't downplay the importance of the competition.
Obi downplay. There be yes, I'm Premier League side.
Oh, yes, but maybe the end say, but the more important was discussing the date for the competition.
Of course,
the GFA is aware that the teams have just started pre-season. Kotoko has with all the teams. So to ask them to play in a competition at this time, and I think that should be our discussion.
So you can factor this one.
What time also the resting? Any time also start. We be factor a competition organizers.
Premier League there or the Division 1 competition there, because the Division 1 and started same time a Premier League started.
I said on to say back in the Premier League, I don't consider Division 1. After no qualified, the competition prepare for all Division 1.
League by positive.
And I'm saying,
but ideally, young Congress.
I'm accept over here. I'm accept positive.
If a discussion and say whether Division or Premier, your time I pre-season.
Listen, first match on the 11th of August.
And the Division
right? First match. Now, the team started pre-season. First even got to 2 weeks ago.
Na so was on no that has on start. One and a bar from Munyawa.
Yes.
Also on start. Omo ya physical.
Omo your pre-season.
Oh, that started for 2 weeks ago. By 11th, they should be playing football. And the Kotoko example. Say Port City. Minimum time almost started, but almost started around there 2 weeks
ago. And they say
the team should be ready to play.
Kotoko should be able to play in a competition on the 11th.
By 11th, Kotoko should be able to play.
I didn't say.
Say omu full level no, because by 11th we to why you physicals and sign them on a way. And that's why we ball work. And to more at your top level. But games are over integrity. Kakran kakra pre-season no. Some games so you should be able to play. This has some of the importance of that. You know, but with the ball, the matches and friendly matches and count the ball was fancy team no in the pre-season no. Match you bet my best one man.
The pre-season just 10 days on ball competition. Wait about one match. Difference. Wait about one match. Is na no man you Bobby. We are no akwako. No aye. The competition there are fixtures 2-3 days.
That's good too. And we say no. Who last quite like 30 players are. Who to me as per them home. And we on the 11th.
So why is the competition on the 11th? I don't want to even anymore.
No, spreading from 11th, then now move to 13th, then 15th. That's how I'm born. Because of say we are the other football competitions.
So I'm saying why should there be too many teams in
8 two from each and the best.
What is the essence of that?
Maybe and you need to get from them.
Because you see, just I wouldn't say I was say team no onya benefits and then whatever the GFA will get. But for teams to say we are withdrawing, just say what teams no.
So far I think positive in Kwana are withdraw.
And so I'm home
baby was no every again say what do they gain to benefit? Because one Okobo Premier.
Yeah. It's a meanwhile
He's going to play against Division 1 clubs who, apart from Port City, the baby, and one can qualify.
So they are Premier League clubs in there.
No, but five of the
teams. The BB Premier.
But 5 of the teams. Yeah, Division 1 clubs. So, and also, oh man, prepare. You are preparing them to go and play in the Premier League. Meanwhile, they are playing against Omo Division 1 for because one, yes, Oma qualify, but
if you also in why that competition?
Maybe.
That is a
preseason tournament for them.
Yes, almost say they wrote say
they can take
preseason. I am a team soon na omo calendar. Na they organize preseason, you know. One dem tell and you be na organize ma omo.
No, to say me so
team be over preseason bia no he has agreed to certain matches based on coach.
Which team organize it? Say the preseason say we preseason team than the competition. They say the omo born in Australia.
So you to accept it,
but they deal with the clubs. To know clubs and the plans.
So the coaches are aware.
But I do clubs now. Mostly more advanced, you know. Also almost at home preseason now. Mostly they start with the smaller teams. Maybe about community. But at this point, who said what is the idea behind this competition? I know the first thing I say
it is a competition, a preseason competition. Monday, teams now. I'm interested in the 3 teams now
qualify for Premier.
Some of your preparatory matches
because maybe a positive. Now me say me bobo Premier League. Now me test my strength here.
Asante good bobo bi.
How never first match class.
And on bono boase no.
Linkley.
I me person me test my strength against teams from world league ni mu dada.
But you can start with.
No, now when baby a positive for almost 33 years. And when baby o do na by 10th numbers on go competition.
But if they were all of this competition, now some are accepted that they are. They should have prepared towards it. And now more accepted that
the features me. When in America now, margin course no. As good the ball in fidelity. As good next game against Sempefi. Next game against Tamale City. I'm division 1 for now also be. So team now all prepared no. He's going to play in the Premier League. So in preparing if you want to that preparation na bit mama na face Premier League teams now.
It be a first phase of the
but first phase you 3 matches for example now I can above you United go ball Resham low profile and ball Rosenberg from Rosenberg or Atletico Madrid but when the 3 games in there one Division 1 for it is not progressing. But
you don't necessarily have to play a Premier League. Having a friendly but levels no kakra to function with team no. Then who's the preseason match now on their mom no. For preseason. You have some few weeks to before you starting league, you know. So if you want to test your strength against a Premier side but then the best thing is a Ghana no your man dey clear who say wow say only do biaba
but I deal with the other one that
so me I'm surprised say
last year na Abdul Salam in the players in go try bet
so let's hope that Atoboa say among for nko ho at the Linkley na yenko hesa game no me interest some you want people to come and watch and get teams in your bigger crowd to say
training matches.
Obuasi say say football say go watch it. You say by chassis. Obuasi for nko here. Now and so Ojaka. And the no how to for coach you be do so too. The coach so too and say about for the can no. How to for Porcupine to meet with the players. But after that, from there, I'm taken to the house secretariat. So too.
Now, branch manager, that's almost will be on.
I think you should
no more commercial manager.
And then, so to the World Trade Center, on World Trade Center, to meet the great king, to be offended. Now, also, Akushano. Exactly on Monday, we so to hit the ground running. What I say? After meeting the great king, on Monday, Mr. I want to engage you. I want to engage you. On Monday, or you take the ground running.
They'll meet to Buffett.
Mr. So
and can say they will meet the great.
After a meeting, no. After a meeting, no.
Meaning Babo, I told you a king home. Meaning Moody.
That designation,
okay.
I'm kind of the king of Asogli. King, the king of Asogli.
The Agbo Mafia of Asogli State.
He's a great king. Yes, Mr. Then soldier for no, a military for no, almost physical work no, physical training no. By after a ne. Then straight from Monday no, almost go straight to the field. Ball work. You both are an assistant no. So to all the assistant coaches no, I started Juma. Like Kingston and Richie and Oko or starting Juma. Richard Kingston, yes. Omina after Juma. So I want to believe that there will be calmness kakra our house of full camp. So far, players. So on the David the Jumano, my only hope and prayer is that the team Asante Kotoko team will be from the Jumana Emre. So I'm the Jumana Emre. So to said that it must go with the team no performance. So I hope and pray that when the team starts performing well, when they are winning games, supporters are trooping to the stadium, then to enhance the
supply chain. But we need to look at it again.
Okay.
You see, the team doesn't necessarily have to win, but obetimaka signals, indicators.
Okay.
Team do you might not be winning, but it means that the team is improving. On the
How do you determine improvement?
By the way they play. By the way they play.
Okay.
By the way they play. Utim's stadium. Your team did not win. But you say, Adia Equidi. I'm the car free, the car go speed no. Oh, that's how it can be there. Yeah. They played very well. You can see a certain rhythm. You see the handwriting of the coach. BBC. But be an about draw.
Okay.
You can well lose. Tibo to me check. But you say show idiot. Or improve, that's a bad thing. You know.
No, under Herbert Men's administration.
Exactly.
Supporters go stadium here, Kotoko. Obiabe feedi. Oh, and them 90 bobo, Echinebe. Echina no moko, Ebian Echomutu. Echampo 1. Oh, I dear Chinebe. Now the Echin draw. Now the following Ebia was to Nakotoko Asha 1.
That's our own.
My Mahudo can but Herbert era no, and this era no, edifa.
And difference in there.
Different in that Herbert era Nakotoko struggled for many years.
Never do the 8.
Oh, the Tobian say a BBB. But Herbert the
but in the last 2 years, no.
That time
the performance have not been very good.
League how many years?
But over the 8.
4 years in
but over the
8. 10 years plus.
Oh, that be has to form be a normal.
But 10 years not going to legal. And a house abdominated. And anytime house of dominate Kotoko struggle and it vice versa. It becomes an issue.
So they will be undominated. They will be undominated.
But you told me the calmness because
Mami established even the season before Herbert came. By position, the team was not worse to say they were mobile.
Only second.
And that 10 years now, we can 1-7. So over 10 years now, strike him by average. Kotoko Nane the second best team after us. So let me just say. But a bedroom point to be that team no air struggle from different areas.
You don't give Kotoko the second best team at that time. But I go that won the league 3 times at Twaso. And then I have to focus on air boom. As good, and you know, at that time, now I go room. I got to say, or back this time, the not supposed or yeah, I got to I said also Rambi.
Debbie, also those years before Herbert, those years got to go playing in Africa. Cup Winners' Cup. I got to go Africa. It's yes a team are not upright. It's bomb do stage be a next Sikasama be a problem. It's Herbert by an affair, and yes, savior, Sikasami problem. so what the mention say to say ne ya me to ye tie ya kase last year Asante Kotoko biggest enemy indiscipline. So what the mention say.
So if you see improvement in that area,
yes, I just say they are solving one.
I agree with you.
Sign.
That I agree with you. But say ko balance say ko fast win no
but
bad there.
Just say come just say I had the results round go to
but how no ejina how you also deal with the supporters, the kind of
how you communicate.
Yes.
How you communicate and also the baba.
Because
that
we one time of the two one was Kotoko combining infrastructure. Eddie account pitch results. So what them say. It we last time as a kid to class ask me. Clubs will move to that direction. Mostly no almost sacrifice pitch results for some time. To build infrastructures, and the club need a group point to be so they can generate a lot. And then ask now we after building the Emirates Stadium. Now Emirates naming right in Guanes Kaketwa. If you be from Emirates. It is says to Canada. After now they better quality players to build the team. Not target now. Supporters say expect young Goji Cup, Champions League, young Goji Premier League in Azan Wodu. But here Hano, Bema they be an PK the short term. And I am 3 points. A channel is a problem. Had the chance, I'm to trouble. Until you two.
All right. Zach. No. Okay.